Hi and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Black Ops 2 on Plutonium Client free. It's working 100%. I'll show you the proof in the end. First you need to do is follow my instructions or do as I do in video. First you need to do is open this Discord link. Links are given in description. I have already opened this link. Go to here, intro in readme. Links are given. First you need to do is download the game. This is optional. If you already have the game, then skip this step. If you don't, then download this game. This is direct link and torrent link. I'll just show you the direct link. I have already downloaded this game and extracted it, so I won't download it again. See, I have already the game in here. If you download this game from this link, you won't need to follow my next steps, as this game has already client pre-installed. Just skip to step 7 here, or if you don't, then follow my steps. Then you need to download client. This client, I have already downloading the client, so I will not download this. So you need to do is extract the client and copy it in game. Extract the client and copy it in game. Here is the client. I have extracted it, copy it and paste it in game. Then you need to do is start the game. I've noticed that some people get DLL error like D3D client, D3D compiler.dll error or anything like that. For that you have to fix, and you will need these two updates. I will put their links in description. Install them and then start the game. First we will try multiplayer. Click on server browser. This client is not so much popular. See, there is only 8 players playing at this time, so share this video as much as you can so we can have more players to play with. So I'll select this map, this server, in game, and I'll select the class.
Team deathmatch.
To set up
Time to clock in.
to do is
Mission is a
press
go.
the console key or this key and type name and the name you want and press enter. Name, select the name you want and press enter. It didn't work. Let me do it again. Name and the name you want. See, I renamed to Assassin.
Grenade!
Press play.
Timeline is in jeopardy.
See, it's fully functional and it's working. Oops. Okay, let me show you now zombies. Okay, this server is full, so we'll join this one. This is survival, but I personally like transit, but for showing purposes I will set the server. See, 3 players are playing. I will spawn So this is how you play multiplayer and zombies on Black Ops 2 with Plutonium Client. Please, if I helped you, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can, so other players can also play with us. Thank you.